Into a jug, I'm going to add around 2 scoops of mango flavored ice cream, 2 cups milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Give it a quick mix. Into this, I'm going to add quarter can of condensed milk. If you want, you can also add in sugar instead of condensed milk. So mix it well. So our milkshake is ready. Now I have these chilled stem glasses. These are my serving glasses. Into this I have already set the jelly in this. If you want, you can just set it separately and you can later on add it. This is the homemade jelly which I prepared. So the same jelly goes here. Next ingredient which goes into this is 1 ripe mango, finely diced, cut into square cubes. You can add around 2 tablespoons of mango. Then goes the sabza seeds. I had soaked this earlier itself. Half an hour back I had soaked it. I'm going to add the same seed into this. I've added around 2 tablespoons of sabza seeds. And then goes the vermicelli. I had already boiled and soaked this. I have drained the water completely. This is the corn flour vermicelli. So I'm going to add this. And then goes some chopped nuts. You can add any nuts of your choice. So I'm using walnuts, almond and raisins. You can add according to your convenience. I am adding around 1 tablespoon of each. Then I have some mango pulp. This is the concentrate of mango. I'm going to add around. So this is a very thick mango pulp. I'm adding around 3 tablespoons in each glass. It's a thick concentrate of mango. And now goes the milkshake which we had prepared. I'm adding around 3 tablespoons in each glass. It's between 3 tablespoons and 5 tablespoons. You can adjust as per your choice. And now mango ice cream. You can add any ice cream of your choice. You can also go with vanilla. 1 or 2 scoops in each glass. And now some jelly. 1 tablespoon of jelly in each glass. Some basil seeds again. Some diced mango. And lastly some nuts again. If you have tutti frutti, you can add some tutti frutti on top. And lastly some freshness of mint. So presenting you my mango Falooda. This is super healthy and very delicious. Do give it a try.